Hey there, let's talk about the reality of execution. If you're planning to prioritize lead generation in 2025, be prepared. Projects often expand overnight. From copy and graphics to emails and tech stacks, there's always more involved than meets the eye. Here's a quick tip for using AI to plan your projects. ChatGPT can turn your projects into actionable tasks. You can even ask it to produce a tech stack. This gives you a complete picture of the assets you'll need, helping you stay on track. But here's the great news. Our custom GPTs can create many of these assets for you. Inside this membership community, you'll first use custom AI tools to streamline the creation of evergreen and event-based lead magnets, landing pages, and even email sequences. You'll gain expert coaching to align lead generation with strategic planning. And of course, there's limited time Black Friday bonuses. These will carry through Black Friday weekend. You'll receive 2 premium bonuses when you join Amplify Your List Building with AI by Monday, December 2nd at midnight Pacific Standard Time. Here are the 2 resources. The first, webinar slide deck. You're going to save hours with this customizable deck, complete with a proven structure that guides you from introductions to confidently presenting your offer. Just add your insights and deliver with ease. The second is the sales page guided framework. This step-by-step outline simplifies crafting high-converting sales pages with a guided framework. From writing transformational benefits to overcoming objections. So who am I? I'm Marissa Shadrick, online strategist, marketing expert, and AI whisperer. Together, we'll master lead generation strategies that build your email list, boost sales, and give you back precious time to focus on building your business rather than managing it. Whether you're tech savvy or tech cautious, this membership is designed to give you the confidence to transition into AI-powered marketing with custom GPTs created by a certified copywriter, that's me, to eliminate lead generation overwhelm. All you have to do is click the link and you can learn more and meet my AI team. I hope to see you there. Take care.